Hey everyone, today's Walmart haul is in partnership with Walmart, and I really wanted to share fall trends with you because I think they do the best job at on-trend stylish pieces, and there have been a ton of new arrivals. We are also going to have a companion styling video with the items from this haul through our YouTube memberships. So if you have not checked that out, I will link that video here if you would like to. So thanks so much for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. I had to start with the cutest top ever, and this is the Free Assembly Jacquard Peplum top. And since it's Jacquard, the pattern is actually woven into the material, so it's not printed on. They did such a good job at everything about this. The fit is beautiful. I love the length of the peplum, and then it gets a little bit longer in the back, and you pull it over by you have a hook and eye closure here and a full zipper in the back, because it does have a little bit of stretch, but not a ton. And I just think it's so cute. And this also came with a matching skirt that they did not have out at the time I ordered this, but is out now. And I would definitely take a look at that because I think it would be a great matching set. And I will link that for you. And I did pair this with some white jeans for now, and you can transition white jeans into the fall. And I just chose my Little Mother Hustler jeans, which are a crop boot cut, and these are a petite. If you love mother jeans and you always have to hem them, check out the little, it's L-I-L, and that means petite. And you're starting to see them kind of everywhere. And I got these for the summer and I've loved them. They have a good high rise and then just a cute little crop boot cut. And I thought the white jeans were awesome with this, but going into the fall, you could also put black jeans, or you could find colored jeans like burgundy or chocolate brown, or even find a denim that matches really well, which I had trouble doing for this video, so I just put it with white because that was my next best bet. And then I styled it with some blue shoes. And these are the Sam Edelman Cressa slingback shoes that I love. And I think these are great for now. And blue shoes have been a big trend. So I thought these were a great dress shoe that I could have in my closet for a very long time because I think it dresses up denim really well. And I think it's a lot of fun. So for those of you that have been eyeing the leopard print bag on that table, I thought I would talk about it next. And this is the No Boundaries tote bag, and it's just in a easy clean material, so it's a polyester, and it has a small little pocket in the front here, and then it has a loop that you could put keychains or maybe even bag charms on, which I would do a bag charm. And I was so surprised by this. You can put a laptop in here. There's a lot of cushy padding in the bag, and then it has the padding in the middle, so you can do a laptop or tablet. And I just thought it was such a great little bag for $20. And there are 10 colors in this, so if you don't love the leopard print, they have lots of great colors that you could choose from. So a big trend in the fall is going to be feminine and frilly, and I thought this Time and True ruffle blouse was perfect for that. And I loved the blue color too. I think it's so pretty, and we're going to see a lot of blues. And I just love the ruffle details, but they're not too overwhelming on this blouse, and it's a chiffon lightweight material, and I love this sleeve length. I think it was perfect to come right to, I mean, it doesn't even reach my knuckles, but a lot of them will come past your fingertips when they have little ruffle sleeves like this. So I thought that was great. And this is also fully lined, so you don't have to worry about putting a cami on or anything with it. You just throw it on and go. And I think this can be worn casual or dressed up, and you can wear it out or tuck it in. And I have it on with these flare jeans, which these are the Time and True stretch flare jeans. And I was so excited to get these, and then I realized that they're too big, so size down. These are a 0, so size down if you can, but they're wonderful. They have a nice high rise, and it's a very soft, stretchy material, and I love the hem on these. So they left them frayed, and they added a triangle here to spread it out. So they just have a really unique look. And I put on the burgundy boots so you could see the contrast between the two. So you could really see the leg of this jean because it is so cute. And the pockets fit perfect. So I think this is going to be very flattering. And honestly, flares and boot cuts are going to be huge this fall. And I'm so glad because I think they are very easy to wear for any body shape, and these are wonderful. And they do come in a few other colors, but the black's really good. It's a really dark black. And the boots I have on are a Walmart item. So these are the Time and True stretch booties, and I talked about these in a haul already, but they are so amazing. And I actually do like the burgundy with this outfit, even though it's 3 colors. If you added a burgundy bag to just bring it all together, it would be perfect. And these boots are amazing. They're really comfortable, and they are a stretch boot, but you have a zipper that allows you to get in and out of them super easily. They have a great little square toe, and they look really expensive. And if you are going to wear any burgundies this year, definitely grab a burgundy boot. And I think this is probably one of the best and most affordable options that I have found. So I have been loving all of the chocolate brown this season. I think it's going to be the #1 color. And I fell in love with this free assembly puff sleeve sweater because it's the polo style, which has been so popular, and it's girly and feminine, and it has a very minimal puff sleeve that is nice and loose and really comfortable, and then it's loose through the body and has a nice little fitted hem here so you can kind of blouse it up, and it's really comfortable. I thought it was a great little transitional piece to have, and this one also comes in other colors, and I also bought the hot pink, which I'm loving this hot pink. We always see some pink. I don't think it's an on-trend color, but I am loving this. They did such a good job, and it's actually really pretty with brown. So I wanted to show you that since it was pretty neat. And the skirt I have on is the free assembly maxi denim skirt, and it is pleated here, and it has a nice elastic waist, and they put in a little bungee cord here that I really think they could have left off. I would have preferred a tie because it really does not stay that well either, and this skirt is a little bit big on me. I did get an extra small, so I recommend sizing down, but it's a really nice weight denim, and it feels really good. And we're going to see a lot of these denim skirts that are a lot fuller and a maxi length, and this one does have perfect pockets. So I thought if you loved this style skirt that this would be a great option for you, and I do think you could probably just take that off maybe and then put a belt on if you wanted to and belt this, and it would look really nice in an outfit. And then I have on the boots of the season, I think. These are the Time and True fringe tall boots, and I have these in both colors, and you're going to see me in these a lot in these hauls, and they are gorgeous. They are a faux suede and look real suede, and I just cannot get over these, and they fit really nicely. They are a little big on my calves, but boots always are. And I just think these are wonderful, and they're very comfortable because Time and True puts a memory foam cushion inside here, and I think they are fantastic. So I recommend getting every color in these that they come out in. So if you have to dress a little bit more professionally, or you just like to, you're going to love these next pieces, and they were very surprising to me. So this first one is the free assembly pinstripe blazer. It is a single-breasted blazer that is a very classic fit, so it just feels really good. It also has very slight shoulder pads here and a perfect sleeve length, and this is so incredibly comfortable. They have lined it so it feels really good quality, and the material is just so soft. I kind of expected it to be more crepey, and it's not at all. And I would absolutely wear this with the pieces that you can buy with it, or throw it on with a pair of jeans. And the pinstripe in it is a light blue, which I thought was really cool with the navy. And I have it over this fabulous dress. I could not get over this dress, the way it fits. It's the free assembly corset midi dress, and it's in the same material, and you can see the corset style at the top, and I am wearing a strapless bra because of the skinny straps, and it worked perfectly. It does have some pleating here that helps give a little bit of a fuller skirt, but there are perfect pockets in this dress too. So who can get a professional dress like this with pockets that look so good? I don't know, but you can get it here. But anyway, it does have a zipper and a hook and eye closure, and it also has some adjustable straps. So this dress is so cool. I'm just going to wear it by itself probably and just have fun in it, because I do think you could wear this by itself and it doesn't have to look professional. But what I want to say about this is a trend is the suiting that matches is a big trend, but it's looking a little bit more relaxed, which I think these pieces do, and they look very modern. And I love that they did a dress with the blazer. And so let's talk about the shoes, and then I'll show you the other piece that I bought with all of these. So these are the Time and True studded kitten heel mules, and these are fabulous. I have shown these in the tan color, so I decided to get the chocolate brown, and these are awesome. And they just feel really good, even though they have a little bit of a heel to them. They're fun and very on trend, and I think they are a perfect option to carry you into the fall season. So now I want to show you the trouser pants that go with the blazer because I think these are great. There's also a skirt that's a midi length skirt that you can get that I don't have. So I'll link both of these pieces, and just know that out of these three that I'm showing you, these pants were a size big for me. So definitely size down, and they are nice, just a really nice kind of flowy wider leg, and they're also long. They are 32-inch inseam, so know that, but I thought they were pretty wonderful if they had not been so big. But I love that you can buy all of these pieces, and they're very inexpensive, so I will link all of them for you. Now for a really fun leopard print dress, and this is the Time and True smocked midi dress, and I thought the leopard print version on this dress was so beautiful and very striking. And I also like that they trimmed out all the smocking in some ruffling, so it's a little bit feminine and frilly too. And there's a nice loose skirt, and if I can find them, it has perfect pockets in it. And this is just a fun dress that you can wear right now, or you could wear all fall long. You can even put knee-high boots or ankle boots with it, but right now I styled it with sandals because I wanted to show you more of a summer look or transitional look. And these are my favorite Target sandals, which are a New Day Mila sandals, and I love the straps that go over the toes. I've talked about these all season long, but I thought these were fun and something that you could wear now and into the fall if you love wearing sandals because your weather is a little bit warmer. I just think this is a very modern shoe that we might see a whole lot more of next summer, but we'll see. Anyway, I thought this was a really cute option for you. Another big trend that we are still seeing is two-piece sets, and not just in your suiting, but in regular clothing. And I thought this set was awesome with this cardigan and skirt. And this is the Scoop V-neck knit cardigan, and I think the V on this is perfect. It's not too low, and then it has the buttons that are a perfect match to the material. So it just looks really expensive, and I think the fit is gorgeous. And you have a tighter band here that you can actually roll it under if you wanted to, and it would stay if you wanted to shorten it, but I liked it just left out. But it is a little bit more fitted in the band area right here. And this skirt, which is the Scoop knit midi skirt, is so nice. It has a really good high rise, and this band here is actually holds you in really well. So it's kind of tight, but I wouldn't go up a size in this. I actually like that it does that, and because this is all elastic. And then it has just an easy A-line skirt to it that is kind of flirty and fun, and it's a little bit heavier weight than the cardigan, but the same soft material, and I just thought they looked so good together. I think this looks really expensive, kind of your old money style, and the matching sets just make it easy to look good without even having to think about it. And this one is such a beautiful green color that I wanted to add back chocolate brown. So the shoes I chose are those same Time and True studded kitten heel mules. I just thought they were beautiful with it and just help dress it up a bit. But I do think you could add in tights and ankle boots and wear this into the fall. This is another great blazer and dress combination that I cannot wait to share with you. So this is the Free Assembly Missy jacket. It is just a single-breasted classic fitting blazer like the last one I showed you, but it's in this gorgeous black, white, and lime green plaid. And this does feel a little bit bigger and roomier than the other one, but I would not go down a size because it feels really good through the shoulders. And this one does have full lining in it, and it is a little bit stiffer than the other blazer, so not as relaxed of a material, but it's cotton. So if you love natural fibers, this is a really good one. And I just thought it was so cute and that you could really mix this up in your wardrobe with lots of different things. But I put it over the matching dress, which is sold separately. And this is the free assembly utility mini dress, and I love the utility pockets, and then it has the front zipper that zips up, and then it has this great belt that cinches the waist, and it has the cutest little pleated in the front skirt, and it has perfect pockets. So I thought it was just so fun and very well designed. And there's also a lining in it that makes it feel a little bit more substantial. And this one is a little bit big on me. You might be able to tell because it's kind of roomy, and I think it would look better if it fit me. But so I would just recommend sizing down in this. But I just thought it was a fun option to have. And you don't have to wear this professionally, but you definitely can. I just think it's a really cute look. And later on, throw it on with ankle boots and maybe a cute little different jacket. But the shoes I have on are the Time and True slingback shoes that are so incredibly comfortable because there's a lot of cushion here and they have a lower heel. So I like that you can dress these up or down, and the way they created the straps on these just make them look a lot more expensive than they are. So I thought these were a fun option and will go back great with a lot of the jeans and things this fall season as well. I had to include this jacket in this video because I fell in love with it, and it's part of that collegiate trend that's going on right now. So this is the Free Assembly varsity jacket, and it is so good when you see it in person. And I love the burgundy color and the way they added the white accents to it, and even the buttons are white. I just thought it looked really cool, and it is fully lined, so it's very well made and it's soft. It is a little bit of a heavier weight, so maybe more medium weight to be correct. So it's more of that fall jacket, but I just thought it was a really cool casual jacket to wear, and I think it comes in a beautiful green as well. And the top I have on is the Free Assembly textured puff sleeve sweater. And I thought this was a great layering piece with that. And this is something that you can wear now. I actually put this in another video in a beautiful blue. And it just has a really cool texture, but it's lightweight. And then it has the puff sleeve that is, you know, very on trend. You're going to see a lot of those still. And it's just a good little throw on piece, I think, that you could layer or wear by itself. And now I can't wait to tell you about the jeans. So these are the Time and True high-rise straight jeans, which they're not very straight. And in the description, they said they're wide leg. So these are a cropped wide leg, just to be clear. And I love them. These are a size 0 and they fit perfect. They do have a high rise. And I love how they added the panel on the side here. I just like when they add a little bit more interest to a pair of jeans. And I think the cropped length in this is perfection, and it's really good with a pair of ankle boots, which is why I put on the ankle boots. But these are phenomenal. I love the color, the fit, and everything about these. And Time and True jeans are around 23 bucks. So grab these in all 3 colors. And the boots I have on are my Steve Madden Dorothea ankle boots that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I have loved these. I have not gotten a pair of Walmart black booties yet, so I need to do that once they start dropping more of their boots. But these are a great low heel ankle boot if you want a real leather, very nice boot. And you can see that the ankle boots are just perfect with an outfit like this. So if you want a good laugh like I just had, my husband just walked in here before I started recording this and said, "Oh, wow, cow print." And so I could see where he said that because of the white and the black mixture. But this is the Scoop leopard print little mini sweater dress, and I love this. It's so comfortable and soft, and it has this high neck, which we're going to see a lot of these mock necks. And I really like that it had the short sleeves because it's great to transition into the fall, and you can layer jackets easily over it. And then it has a drop waist, which I thought was really unique, and you can see where they attached the skirt, which is very A-line and kind of frilly and fun. So I love this. It's just a pullover style, super easy to wear. It does come in solids if you don't like the leopard print, but this is the big trend, so we're going to see lots of iterations of it. And I did style this with some fringe boots. So these are the knee-high tan boots by Time and True, and these are so good, y'all. And I talked about the brown ones, so I won't embellish too much on these, but I wanted to mix a little bit of Western with a little bit of girly because that's what we're going to see a lot this season. And if you don't love the fringe and just have a regular tan boot, even an ankle booty, and even black looks good with this. So I tried them all, and since it does have tan and white in it, I thought even a lighter boot was a great option if you don't want to get too dark just yet. So I hope you enjoyed all of those Walmart fall trends. And if you want to see my last try on haul that has lots of good stuff in it as well that will transition into fall, I'm going to link it here for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.